Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Messenger application on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that your mobile device has enough storage for the Messenger application. And I think the storage that you must have is at least 117 MB. Okay, and now just go ahead and open your App Store and click on the search button at the lower right corner of your screen and search for Messenger. So now here, as you can see on my Messenger application, you can see a open button. That is because I already have the application. But if you've never had a Messenger application, you should see a get button there, just like this. Okay, as you can see here at the line application, you can see a get button, right? So instead of seeing a open button, you should see a get button. So just go ahead and click on that get button, and you need to type your Apple ID password. Okay, so if you don't know, in order to install any applications that you want on your phone, you need to type your Apple ID password. And now just wait for the app done installing, and once it is done, you can now go ahead and start using the application. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.